With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question is the mean deviation about median of variates 13, 14, 15, 99, 100 is, and we are given these four options. Okay, so for solving this question, first we need to know what is median and what is the mean deviation. Okay, mean deviation. So what is median? Median is nothing but the midterm. Okay, so it is the midterm. And mean deviation we calculated by using this formula, that is summation of I is equal to 1 to n mod of xi minus m upon n, where n is the total terms. Okay, we are not taking I is equal to 0 because if you take it then there would be n plus 1 terms. Okay, so we are taking I from 1 only. Now we have two cases in the number of terms. Okay, so in the first case, what is it? Is odd terms. Okay, so if we are having odd number of terms, then how we'll calculate the midterm? Okay, so if I'm having 1 comma 2 comma 3, so the midterm is what? The middle term in that. Okay, now the formula for calculating the midterm in odd number of terms is what? It is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Okay, and second case is even terms. If we are having even number of terms, in that case what happens is, if I'm having 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, then 3 and 2 they will be. Okay, so the formula for calculating the midterm when we are having even number of terms is, first is n by 2, next is n plus 1 by 2 and divided by 2. Okay, so we take n by 2 and then n by 2 plus 1. Its next term also we take here. Now see what is given to us. We are given this series, that is 13, 14, 15 till 99, 100. So this is that we can see that this is forming an AP. And in the AP, here we are having the first term, that is A is equal to 13. And we are having the last term AN, that is given as 100, or we can say it L is equal to 100, and D is what? Common difference, so that is coming as 1, 14 minus 13. Okay, now we know the formula to calculate the nth term in an AP, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula. So AN is the nth term, and here the number of term is 100, so here you can put there 100 is equal to, and A is the first term, so put here 13 plus n minus 1 into 1. Common difference is 1. So 100 is equal to, this will be what? This will be, if I multiply it, so this is minus 1 and this is plus 13, so this is 12 plus n. So this implies that we are getting the value of n as 88. That means how many terms are there? There are 88 terms. That means this is what? We are having even terms. Okay, we are having even terms now, and we know that when we are having even number of terms, at that time how we calculate the midterm, that is, first we have to calculate n by 2 and then we calculate n by 2 plus 1. So n by 2 will be what? N is this, so 88 by 2, that is equal to 44. Then n by 2 plus 1 will be what? This is n by 2 plus 1, that means 45. Now we will calculate the 44th term. That means we will calculate what is A 44th. So that will be what? A plus n minus 1 into D. This general formula, this nth term formula only we are going to use here. Okay, so this will be what? A is what? 13 plus n here is 44. So 44 minus 1 into D is what? 1. Okay, so A 44 will be coming as 12. This will be 12 plus 44, that is equal to 56. So this is the value for A44. Similarly, we will calculate A45. A45, we can also say this is just the next term of A44, right? So what we can say is we can add the common difference in A44, so we get the next term. So we can write this as A44 plus D. So this will be coming as 56. This is A44 plus 1. Therefore, we are getting the value of A45 equal to 56. 7. Okay, now we are going to find their mean. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to add these two, that is A44 plus A45, and we are going to divide them by 2. So A44 plus A45 divided by 2, this will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 56 plus 57 divided by 2. That is equal to what? That is coming equal to 56.5. Okay, so this is the median, right? So we have calculated the median. So median is coming equal to 56.5. Okay, so why we have calculated this? See, because in the formula of mean deviation, what is the formula of mean deviation? That is summation n is equal to 1 to n, and this is I. Okay, so I is equal to 1 to n, then mod of xi minus m. This m here stands for median, right, upon n, that is total number of terms. Okay, so here median is required. That is why first we have calculated the median, so that calculating mean deviation would be easy for us, right? So this is what summation I is equal to 1 to n, and then this thing. So when we will put the values here of I with x, so this will become mod of 13 minus 56.5 plus mod of 14 minus 56.5 plus so on, plus mod of 99 minus 56.5. Okay, because till where it is going, it is going till 100, and plus the last is 100 minus 56.5, and this whole is divided by n, and n is what? It is the total number of terms, and we have already found the total number of terms that were coming 88, that were coming even number of terms, right? So we are going to divide this by 88, so divided by 88, right? Okay, so on solving this, what we will get is, see, 13 minus 56.5, this will be equal to minus 43.5, but because of mod, that minus will be not there. Okay, it will be positive only, and it will come out of mod as positive value. So here we are going to write 43.5 plus, this will give us minus 42.5, but out of mod this will be 42.5 plus so on, plus in between somewhere here we will be getting 0.5 plus 0.5 plus, and then we will be getting this as 42.5 plus 43.5. okay, and this is divided by 88. So if we look here carefully at 0.5 plus 0.5, so we can see that at this point there is symmetry around it. That means on adding these two numbers, we are getting here 1. Okay, so I'm writing here 1 plus. Similarly, if this is 0.5, 0.5, then somewhere here around this, there will be a number that is coming 1.5, 1.5. So their addition will give us 3. And similarly, there would be one more number adjacent to them here and here, so that will be giving, their sum will be giving us equal to 5, and so on. Plus if I add these two, that is 42.5 and then this 42.5, then here we will be getting 85. Similarly, on the sum of these two, we will be getting here 86 plus 1, that is 87. okay, and this is divided by 88 here, right? So what we can see is in the numerator that there is an AP that is being formed in the numerator. Okay, so and their common difference is 2. So what we can write here, in order to see the number of terms, we are going to write the nth term formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we need to find nth term. So what is the last term here? That is 87. So here we can write 87 is equal to, first term here is 1 plus n number of terms we need to find. So I am writing it as it is, and d is the common difference. See, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So this is the common difference. So we will write here 2. So on this simplification, this will give us 86 is equal to 2 into n minus 1. This implies we are getting 43 plus 1 equal to n. So this implies that the value for n, that is the number of terms, is coming as 44 here. Now if we see, so what is happening in the numerator, this is forming an AP and there is plus sign in between. So basically this is what, this is the sum of first n terms of an AP and their formula is given by Sn. So since sum of first n terms AP, their formula is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So putting here the values, we will get the numerator part, that is Sn will be equal to, number of terms came 44. So 44 divided by 2 into 2a. A is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus n is what? 44. 44 minus 1 into d is 2. Right? So on solving this, we are getting that Sn is coming equal to 44 divided by 2 is nothing but 22. And here we will be having 2 plus 43 into 2. Okay, so first we are solving the numerator part and then we are going to divide it by 88. Okay, so this will coming as Sn is coming equal to, this will be 22 and their addition will give us 88 into 88. Now we are going to do Sn divided by 88. See here, this was Sn, this is equal to Sn and it is divided by 88. So this is coming equal to, Sn was this, so 22 into 88 and it is divided by 88, so that is coming equal to 22. Okay, so basically what we have derived, we have derived this as the mean deviation, right? So mean deviation is coming equal to 22. We started with this formula and we got the Sn and then we divided it by number of terms, that is 88. So mean deviation is coming as 22. Let us check the options. So option number D is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.